In this video, we'll discuss about the Scikit-Learn Autoregression function using UnifyML SQL. Scikit-Learn Autoregression function. Running your autoregression function using UnifyML query. Here, we run our Scikit-Learn Autoregression function using UnifyML SQL. Now let's see the simple Scikit-Learn Autoregression function. Scikit-Learn Autoregression. Scikit-Learn Autoregression gives you the accuracy of each Scikit-Learn UnifyML regression functions. Before running any of your Scikit-Learn regression functions, run this autoregression to see the accuracy of the data on the Scikit-Learn UnifyML regression function. Based on the accuracy, you can select the Scikit-Learn UnifyML regression functions for better model and the accuracy or the predict. Input table. Mention your input table. Input columns. Mention your required input column names, target column to be predicted. There are many more parameters of this Scikit-Learn autoregression. You can go through our UnifyML documentation. Input algorithms. If you want to take specific algorithms, you can mention this input algorithms. Like if you want to do specific algorithms like ADA boost regression, decision tree regression, or gradient boost regression, like this, if you want the specific regression's accuracy, you can mention that in input algorithms. By default, it will show all the regression algorithms that are present in our Scikit-Learn UnifyML. Input data types. If you want to change the data types of the input columns, you can mention the input data types parameter. Training sample size, split the data into training and test data. Mention the training data value here. Number partitions. Number of partitions to do on which column the partitions should be done. Parallelism. Setting in parallel. Data cleaning. Cleaning of the data. There are 4 methods to clean the data. Remove row, remove duplicate, remote outliers, and fill. Fill with values if you want to fill any null values, or if you want to change any data value, you can use the fill with values. Data scaling. Scaling of the data. There are 4 methods to scale the data. Min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. For min-max scaler, you have to mention the minimum and maximum scalar value. Input cache ID. If your data is previously saved in the cache, no need to mention the input table. In place of input table, mention the input cache ID. Bytes per chunk. These are all the input arguments of this Scikit-Learn autoregression function. Mention your input arguments based on the requirement of your function. Run this query. This query will execute in the back end of our UnifyML server. This is the output of the Scikit-Learn autoregression function. These are all the regression functions of the UnifyML Scikit-Learn, and this is the accuracy of the function. Based on this accuracy, you can select your regression function for the model and the predict. Thank you for watching this video.